Hi, just about 12 hours ago, Sanjay Subramaniam and his team, Varadarajan and Neyveli Venkatesh, enthralled a 1,000 people audience for the Tamilam Nanum concert. And Sanjay, as usual, set the stage literally on fire. And it was amazing the energy level and how the people were beaming when they were all coming out. And the highlight was Shankarabaranam RTP, which also had two or three amazing Ragamaliga. The one which comes to my mind is that Pushpalatika, which he did. And then there was a Virutham, which started with Kambodi, and then he did an amazing Shuddha Dhanyasi and a Sindhu Bhairavi.
Gurubara Murugaya Gurubara Murugaya Kanda Kadamba Kanda